Let me share the screen first. Acha. We completed some extra sum and this one in the last class, right? This one in copy. We have done this type of question, 2-digit number multiplication and also carry forward multiplication, right? You have done. Now today we will do multiplication of 3-digit number. This one, okay? All of you put the date, today's date. Put today's date. Write CW also in your copy, not in book. Huh? It is given page number 74. Yes, the sum which are in page number 74, that one we are doing, okay, but not in book. You will not do in page number 74 in your book, okay? In copy, all of you exercise book copy, okay? Now it is 3-digit number, okay? Basically 3-digit number is nothing. All of you put this date and write CW though. I'm clearing it. I'm removing it right now. Okay. Now the thing, 3-digit number multiply. How to multiply a 3-digit number by a given number? Okay. How to do? All of you look at and okay. Look. Suppose for the first one, at first I am explaining. Okay. For the first one, this one. 213. Let me explain it first. Huh? There is nothing. Basically, we know how to do multiplication in 2-digit number. In place of suppose these two were missing. Then what to do? Achha, maybe due to network issue. All of you are able to hear me too. Suppose the fourth place is there, okay? Then what to do? Then again these 3 2s are 6 in this way. Understood? So there is nothing. Basically 213 multiplied by 2. So 3 places, tens, 100, 3 places. So 3 times. Okay, how? This one's 2, then this one. If there is one more digit, then that one in this way we have to continue. Okay, 2 2s are 4. This is the answer. Okay, now complete this. All of you are able to see the screen. Let me check whether I have understood or not. Samriddha Roy, understood? Okay, Farhan Akhtar, I am not calling each and everyone's name. Just shake your head. Spandan Pal, Rahat Khandekar, is it clear? Okay. Where is Shaugato Manna? Shaugato. Okay, good. Diya Manna? Okay. Now let me explain the second one. It is 132 multiplied by 3. Look, 3 are 6. Then this one. 3 3s are 9. Then the last one. 3 1 is 3. Okay. By this 3, we have to multiply to each of the number, each of the digit. Okay. Now let me explain the third one. It is 413 multiplied by 3. Same thing, 3 3s are 9. The same thing, next 12. Complete the third one. Acha, at first you will complete up to this 9, okay? Then I'll check your copy. After that, again, you will start from 10, okay? So let me explain up to 9 at first. 1, 2, 3 done. So now let me explain the fourth one. It is 212 multiplied by 3. First, this one, 3 2s are 6. Now this one, by the same 3, we have to multiply this one. 3 3 1 is 3. Now this next. 3 2s are 6. 636. Basically, I told you to remember all the tables. If you remember the tables, then there will be no problem. Jinia Akhtar completed? Up to 4? Okay, okay. Now let me explain the fifth one, okay? It is 496 multiplied by 1. Acha, if multiplied by 1 or multiplied by 0, there are some property related to multiplication of 1 and 0. Okay, it is in the look, it is 496 into 1. First this one, 6 1 is 6. Then this one, 9 1 is 9. Then the last one, 4 1 is 4. Four hundred and this is the answer. In your copy, you are doing so. Okay, okay. Now let me explain the sixth one. 424 multiplied by 2. Same thing. First, these 2 4s are 8. Then 2 2s are 4. Then 4 2s are 8. First this one, then this one, then this one. Complete number 6. It is already done here. Done. Shadik Farhan. Achha, you are not going to do this one, huh? I am covering this one. First up to 9. Now the 7th one. 7th one, and I am not going to explain, very easy. 8th one, which is more important. Look at this. Carry forward of 305 multiplied by 2. Basically the same thing. Carry forward of 2 digit, you know to. First this one, 5 2s are 10 to. And we have to put this 0 over there, and this 1 will be carry forwarded to 10th place. Yes. Now this one, 2 5s are, this one will be 10 plus this carry forward digit. So ultimately it will be 11. So 1 will be there, and this one will be again carry forward to 100 place. Okay. Now look at this. 3 2s are 6 plus this forward digit. Look. Five into 2, right? What to do? It is 1's place, it is 10's place, it is 100 place. Now look, first we have to multiply this place once. Look, 5 2s are, this will be what? 10. We have to put this 0 over there, and this 1 will be carry forwarded at 10th place. This one clear though? Now next one. We have to multiply this. 3 2s are 6 plus this 1. So it will be actually 7. Okay. Yes. Now look at this. This place. Okay. 3 3s are 9. Actually, base. Achha, 3 2s are this one. Sorry. 3 2s are 6. Look, actually, here it is 7. If it is 17 or 27, then also carry forward. But as it is 7, so just not just take another friend also. Now look at this. This one 355 into 2. Complete this. Where is Orkopriya? Where are you? Atrei completed. Okay. Now the 9th one. Let me explain the 9th one. Then I'll check your copy. It is 203 multiplied by 4. Look. If 0 is there, first do this one. 3 4s are what? 12. Don't think too much that 0 is there. So 2 will be there, and this 1 will be carry forwarded in 10's place. Done. Now this one 4 0 0 into 4 0 into 4. If we multiply any number by 0, it will be ultimately 0. Okay. If in case of multiplication, if we multiply by 0, then it will be 0 only. So I will get 0 here, but 1 is carried forwarded too. So plus this 1 we have to add. Ultimately, this one will be there. And now 4 to the rate 820. Is it clear? Somriddho Shwachatwa? It is clear? Okay. Okay, good. Now, acha, complete the Somriddho Roy, not clear? Yes or no? Not understood. Acha, okay. Again, I am explaining. Look, I am explaining for the 12th one. It is also in zero case. Look, 502 into 5. Look at this very much carefully. Huh, Somrito? What happened? You have understood. Somrito. Oh, acha. So you have to say to. Acha, let me explain 12 for all of you. Huh? Look, 5 twos are basically it will be 10. So 0 will be there. 1 carry forwarded. Now the next one. 0 into 5. Again, if we multiply by 0, ultimately 0 will be there. 0 plus this carry forwarded 1. So it will be 1. Here it will be 1. Okay. Now 5 5s are 25. 2510. Okay. The 12th. Farhan Akhtar, are you there? Okay. Now let me show you the full screen. Okay. Complete 13, 14 and 15 also. Wait a minute. One, two, three, all of you done. Achha, now let me explain number 11th one. Okay, number 11th one. Look at this. It is 195 into 5. Shamriddho. Spandan Pal, what are you doing? Okay, now look at this. 5 5s first, this 2, 5, 5 5s are 25. So we have to put this 5 and this 2 will be carry forwarded. Understood? Now the next one. These 5 nines are what? 45 plus this carry forwarded 2. That means it will be 47. Now this 7 we have to put here and again this 4 will be carry forwarded to which place? 1000 place. Here. Now the next one. 5 1 is 5 plus this carry forwarded 4. 5 plus 4 it will be 9. Is it clear? Shaugato, clear? Ritosri? Okay, Rabiul, Jennifer? Okay. Rabiul, you can just shake your head. Jennifer completed? Complete it fast. Now the 13, question number 13. Acha, Srijita, Aisha, completed up to 12. Okay, let me explain number 13. 102 into 7. The same thing, look. 7 twos are what? 14. So we have to put this 4. So 4 and 1 carry forwarded. Now 7 0 is 0 plus this carry forward digit 1. So ultimately 0 plus 1, 1. Okay, now 7 1 is 7. 714. Complete this. Fatia Sultana completed up to 15. Orko Priya. Okay, no need to show me the copy right now. Okay. At first, I'll explain 14 and 15 for the others. Then I'll check, okay, each and everyone's copy. Orko Priya, right now, no need to show. When I'll say, then, okay. Shwachatwa, done up to 12. Yes, okay. Achha, I am giving you 2 minutes to complete up to this, those who have not completed. Before that, I'll explain number 14, okay? Look at this. Number 14th one. It is 185 multiplied by 2. Basically, first this one, 5 twos are, it is 10. So 0 we have to put here and 1 will be carry forwarded. Now the next one, 8 twos are, 8 twos are. What happened, Farhan Akhtar? Keep quiet. 8 twos are 16, okay, plus this 1. Carry forwarded digit. That means it will be 17. So 7 will be there. This 1 will be again carry forwarded. Okay. Now the next one. 2 into 1. This 1. 2 1 is 2 plus this carry forwarded digit. So 2 plus this 1. It will be 370. Now all of you complete this. I'll give you only 3 minutes. Those who have completed, that is very good. Those who have not done, complete it within 3. The next one. Those who have already completed up to 15 and understood, write the next one, next extra question, number 16. 507 multiplied by 5. Complete this. Ankush, complete this one. Complete this one yourself. 500, this one you have to complete yourself. Atrey, complete it yourself. 507 into multiplied by 5. Orkopriya, can you do it? Rad, do it yourself. Don't ask anyone. Yes, Orkopriya, done. This one, this 507 into 5, this one. Good. Show me your copy. Ah, good. Yes. Acha, Fatia. Afrozali. Atrey also done. This one 507 into 5. No, acha, okay. Shwachatoa done this one. Okay, doing okay. Those who have done, show me the copy, the last one. Write the answer, those who have not done. Yes, Atri, I have seen. Now one by one, the name I'll call, they will show me their copy. All the 16 sum, huh?